Organophosphorus, OP poisoning is one of the most common medical emergencies in agricultural regions due to the widespread use of insecticides and pesticides. The primary mechanism involves irreversible inhibition of the enzyme acetylcholinesterase. This blocks the breakdown of acetylcholine at the synapse, leading to its accumulation at muscarinic, nicotinic, and central nervous system receptors. The result is overstimulation of cholinergic transmission, producing a characteristic clinical presentation. Overstimulation of muscarinic receptors produces parasympathetic effects that can be remembered using the mnemonic dumbbells, that includes diarrhea, urination, miosis, bronchoria, bronchospasm, bradycardia, emesis, lacrimation, salivation, and sweating. Nicotinic receptor overstimulation at the neuromuscular junction causes muscle fasciculations, weakness progressing to paralysis, while stimulation at autonomic ganglia produces hypertension and tachycardia. CNS involvement leads to anxiety, confusion, convulsions, coma, and ultimately respiratory depression. The main cause of death is respiratory muscle paralysis and failure. Complications include intermediate syndrome, which appears 24 to 96 hours later with proximal muscle weakness and respiratory insufficiency, and organophosphate-induced delayed neuropathy, which occurs after 1 to 3 weeks and presents with distal weakness and sensory loss. Diagnosis is based on a history of exposure, the presence of the classical triad of miosis, fasciculations, and excessive secretions, along with laboratory confirmation of markedly reduced plasma pseudocholinesterase and red blood cell acetylcholinesterase levels. Management begins with immediate resuscitation, airway protection, suctioning of secretions, oxygen therapy, and mechanical ventilation if required. Contaminated clothes must be removed and the skin thoroughly washed with soap and water, as OP compounds can also be absorbed transdermally. Specific antidote therapy includes atropine and oxines. Atropine, an antimuscarinic drug, relieves the muscarinic symptoms of OP poisoning by competitively blocking acetylcholine at muscarinic receptors, thereby reducing secretions, bronchospasm, and bradycardia. It is administered as a 1 to 3 mg IV bolus in adults, 0.02 to 0.05 mg per kilogram in children, repeated every 5 to 10 minutes until signs of atropinization, such as pupil dilatation, clear lung fields, dry secretions, stable heart rate and blood pressure, are achieved. A continuous infusion is then maintained. Pralidoxime, an acetylcholinesterase reactivator, is most effective when given early, before enzyme aging occurs. The recommended adult dose is 30 mg per kilogram IV over 30 minutes, maximum to G, followed by infusion at 8 to 10 mg kg HR or repeated boluses every 4 to 6 hours. In children, 20 to 50 mg kg IV is used. Supportive therapy includes benzodiazepines for seizures, intravenous fluids, correction of electrolyte imbalance, and intensive care unit, ICU monitoring for patients with respiratory muscle weakness. To summarize, OP poisoning is a life-threatening cholinergic crisis, and survival depends on early recognition with prompt administration of atropine, pralidoxime, and appropriate supportive management.